How y'all doing, man? Welcome to a new video. Finna hit up this car show. Let's see, finna be lit. Sheesh.
Hey.
Alright, I ain't even good.
It's hecka dark. Can you see? Yeah. Hey, you black. Too black.
Oh man, how you doing me like that? You gotta get at from this way. Hey, this you run? Yeah, you already know, man. You got coffee hard, man. It's gonna be us in a couple years, man.
Yeah, come this way.
Come on, 2 points, man. You already know what's going on, man.
Hey, bro, this mother got pearlescent. Yeah. It got like a slight blue in it.
Tell us, God, man.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I gotta get that more,
Yeah.
What look like it smell good in there?
A Lambo truck?
Nah, they all that.
Oh, dang. Everybody over here to see that mud.
Oh, which one get that out there?
Where? Aventador or SVJ? It's an SVJ. Come on, this that one car that you was trying to get in Forza.
Yeah, I know. Same one. What?
They got all these basic cars.
Over there?
Yeah, we ain't here to see that. You a little lighter.
Early.
Yeah.
In a couple more years, man. Run it up. Boy.
Me, I can sure see you driving this.
Oh yeah, see you driving it. Look. Scoot back some. Give me. That's super big, dude.
Huh?
Super big. I gotta have somebody driving me around. If I get one.
Hey, that's you. Hold on, let me. Excuse me. Ooh. Yeah, bro, you should get one of these too. So you get one of these too. That
motherfucker all hard. I like this. Hell yeah.
This that.
Oh yeah, I need that.
That Ferrari that they added.
The 488 Spider. Hey, it's hella hard.
Yeah, this the one on GTA, bro.
I just got this.
I know.
Crazy, boy.
Them a fit.
Outside with the car show, man. It's June. We in the no, come on, you might as well go to the little stand over there. What's stand right there? Nah. This red one, yeah. Sorry. Hell yeah.
This one, yeah, it's hard though. Oh dang! This like hey Darian. It's like X what you call it?
Yeah.
I. How fast? Oh dang! You can't even see how fast they go. This yours?
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Didn't you start playing it again?
Yeah, I'll do it.
It's more hard, man. Yeah, bro, this me.
Well,
He just polished this more too.
That's the.
Every Lambo like that I see is always orange.
He got his nuts on his shoulder.
Yeah.
I want to zoom in on that shit too.
I'm zooming in on it right now. Man.
Smoke on where it's at.
Man, wait till I'm like 30 or like 29. I'm getting any of these.
Right, you trying to run up before then. You gotta get your shot. This Bugatti go crazy.
That's my favorite brand.
That more hard. Yeah, Sersky, man, leaving the car show. Yeah. Well, you need to wipe your nose, dude. You got snot all your nose. You gonna look in the camera. You nasty.
Dang.
Save me some tissue in here.
Yeah, bitch, let me get your camera.
No, I can't even do that. What up? What's going on, man? It's gonna be, oh shit. I'm gonna put this at the end of the Florida video. He got you right, bro?